guys, this is John again from Jandam District, and for today's video, another website na naman tayo kung saan ka pwede kumita online. Ang kinaganda dito guys, nag-deep research talaga ako para malaman kung legit at paying ang application na to. And based sa aking research, legit na legit ito guys, kaya kung ako sa inyo, itry nyo na. Pag-uusapan natin dito sa video na to is kung paano kayo mag-earn, ano yung mga best way para mas mabilis kayong mag-earn, and of course yung mga frequently asked question like paano ba mag-cash out or magkano yung minimum. Kaya umpisa na natin, huwag na tayo magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Let's go! Siyempre, umpisa na natin guys. Para kumita kayo dito, you will be choosing an offer kung anong task yung i-complete nyo. And then after that, make sure to complete the offer guys ha. And then after nyo makomplete, that's the time that you will get paid. At kung gusto nyo mag-start na mag-earn, click nyo lang yung start earning now or kailangan nyo lang mag-sign up sa website na to. So by the way guys, available ang payout nito for different mode of payment. Best way to earn dito guys is by playing games. Downloadin nyo lang yung application and then lalaruin nyo. And then after that guys, complete nyo lang lahat ng offers na available sa website or sa application na to. Pero alam ko naka-website lang siya available at this moment. And then join surveys guys. So surveys guys, yan yung pinaka-recommended ko kasi halos araw-araw may survey dito. And kung gusto nyo makalaman yung mga tips para sa mga pagsasagot ng survey, click nyo lang yung video description na to. Lalagay ko yung link doon kung paano yung mga tips and tricks para sa mga pag-answer ng surveys. By the way guys, isa to sa top platform na pwede kayong kumita online. Ang kinaganda dito, highest payout, smooth cash out, at may daily bonuses pa. So guys, sa frequently asked question naman tayo, magkano nga ba ang pwede mong kitain dito? Ito guys ay nakadepende sa sipag ninyo at sa pagkukomplete ng mga task. So by the way guys, based sa kanilang intel, ang kanilang top earners ay kumikita ng $5 up to $6,000. So nakadepende talaga to guys sa sipag mo. At ang tanong ng bayan guys is magkano ba ang minimum withdrawal dito? So for your first withdrawal guys, you need to reach minimum threshold which ranges from $5 to $20 depending sa region nyo. And by the way guys, meron din dito na as low as 0.10 cents pwede na kayo makapag-withdraw pero depende pa rin to. Pero for bank transfer, PayPal and gift cards, minimum amount that you can withdraw is $5. At since usapang withdrawal naman na tayo guys, gaano nga ba katagal bago nyo makuha yung withdrawal niyo? Actually guys, nakadepende ito. May time na instant lang makukuha nyo na agad yung withdraw nyo. Pero with other withdrawal methods such as direct bank transfer, it could take up to 2 business days. Guys, ang website nga pala ay walang iba kundi ang freecash.com. You can get paid for testing apps, games, and survey. Earn up to 391 per offer, 260 offer available right now. So guys, kaya gustong gusto ko tong website na to kasi laging may offer na pwede nyo i-complete para kumita kayo. And that's it guys for today's video. Sana nakatulong to sa inyo. If you have any comment, suggestion, please comment down below and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button para maging updated ka sa aking mga latest videos. So, see ya!